Hey drivers, is $100 a month worth your family's well-being? What I mean by that is you're out here working 7 days a week, gone for weeks at a time to provide for your family. What if you could no longer provide? What if you had a major medical illness? What if you got in a major accident? Maybe your truck just broke down. Maybe you couldn't afford to get your truck back on the road and your truck's just sitting for weeks trying to figure out what the next move is. Book an appointment with me. We're going to talk about income replacement, income protection. So what we do is we put a full-blown package together for you. That way, if you die, you come down with some sort of illness, you're going to get access to a critical, chronic, or terminal payouts. You're going to get paid for being in the hospital. If you have to stay overnight, you're going to get paid for any exams that they do. You got to have x-rays, treatments, whatever. And the best part about this is all this money is paid to you, paid to your pocket. This does not pay the doctors and hospitals. This is not like health insurance. Health insurance is great, but it pays the doctors and hospitals. When you're down and out, nobody's concerned about your bills, your truck payment, your business, how to stay afloat. We are. I've been down that road. I was a driver. I lost everything I had. I was in an accident, broke my back, tore a bunch of stuff up in my stomach. I've been there, done that. If this is any concern to you and you want to make sure that you don't lose anything and you're not exposed, click the link below, book an appointment with me.